Welcome to our trigonometry session. Today, we are exploring angles of elevation. This concept is fundamental when solving real-world problems involving upward sight lines, such as looking at the top of a building or an airplane in the sky. First, let's define it precisely. An angle of elevation is the angle formed between a horizontal line and your line of sight when you look upwards at an object. Imagine measuring how much you need to tilt your head back to see something above you. That tilt is the angle. There are three essential parts to this setup. First, the observer, which is the starting point. Second, the horizontal line, which is an imaginary level line extending straight from the observer's eyes. And third, the line of sight, which connects the eye directly to the object being viewed. Why is this in trigonometry? Because these three lines naturally form a right-angled triangle. The line of sight becomes the hypotenuse. The horizontal distance is the adjacent side, and the vertical height of the object is the opposite side. This structure allows us to use standard trigonometric ratios. To solve these triangles, we use SOH CAH TOA. If you need to find the height and you have the distance, you use tangent. If you need to find the length of a string or slope, you might use sine or cosine depending on what information you have. Tangent is the most commonly used ratio for height problems. Let's look at a classic example. You are standing 20 meters away from a tree, looking up at the top with an angle of 30 degrees. To find the height, we identify that we have the adjacent side and need the opposite side. Therefore, we use the tangent ratio. Calculating 20 multiplied by the tangent of 30 degrees gives us a height of approximately 11.55 meters. In this second scenario, imagine flying a kite at a height of 50 meters with an angle of 60 degrees. We need to find the string length. Here, we know the opposite side and need the hypotenuse. This calls for the sine ratio. Dividing 50 by the sine of 60 degrees tells us the string length is approximately 57.74 meters. To solve any problem like this, follow these 4 steps. 1. Always draw a diagram with the horizontal line. 2. Label your sides as hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. 3. Select the correct ratio using SOH CAH TOA. And 4. Substitute your numbers and calculate the answer. To wrap up, remember that the angle of elevation is always measured upwards from the horizontal. These problems always map to a right triangle. Mastering SOH CAH TOA will allow you to calculate heights and distances that are impossible to measure with a ruler alone.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.